In this video, I'm going to share a few ways that you can increase your Facebook likes and increase your Facebook engagement. Now, these are definitely ways that will improve. If you will just apply these, I can just about guarantee you that you'll see results. First up, one of the most popular ways you need to do to get more Facebook likes, of course, would be create a campaign and use the Facebook Advertisement Manager to help you guide you in the right direction. Now, during this campaign, you will want to promote it yourself also, and that will bring more people into your Facebook site and maybe get you some more likes as well. And by promoting the campaign yourself, you can go to some friends page, get some of your friends to post about the campaign you're having. Maybe go to some groups where they allow you to post this type of thing. And you need to be very careful about how you or where you post about your campaigns, because most and many of the groups and forums see that as spam and will actually ban you. So be certain that that type of content is allowed before you post it, because we don't want to get anybody in trouble. And another way that you can do this is just simply run an ad in the newspaper. You know that a lot of people today have completely forgotten the old-fashioned way of advertising worked for a long time, and that was just simply by using things like magazines, newspapers, word of mouth, maybe a billboard. Now, one of the biggest things about your Facebook users is once you get them to like your page, the next thing you're going to want to do is have them to engage. And the best way to have your Facebook users to engage with you is simply just ask them questions. And you'll be surprised how many will just simply reply back to you and answer whatever it is you've asked. And a lot of times that will get a discussion started on your page, and then other people will chime in, and then it'll just go back and forth for days. I mean, weeks even. I've seen that go on for a long time. It's very important to keep your Facebook users engaged, because most of all, that's why they're there on your page, is to get good information. And you need to be sure that you are always sharing top quality information with them, and your posts are very, very easy to read and enjoyable. It don't need to be something that's just very boring, and maybe you're not the best writer ever was. This might be a time that you can go and use something like Fiverr or Elance. I use them a great deal for little things like this. So get a good post going, and then you'll be surprised just how many people will chime in and share their thoughts and opinion about whatever it is. You can also use something like crowdsourcing, like we just said. Ask them questions, and be sure that you pay attention to the time of day that you're posting on your Facebook page, because you may post at one time of day and not get many reactions, and post a different time of day and get a lot more reaction. Engagement is what I'm referring to. So keep that in mind, and then once you get the right time of day that you get the best engagement occurring, then that's the time of day you want to post, and you can always set your post to go live then. So be sure that you do consider all those things, and I think you'll see an improvement, and you'll enjoy the Facebook journey a lot better.